Hello and welcome to CODE's Quick Tips. In this video, we'll be discussing your oven. Before we begin, please follow these first-time startup instructions. Locate your fuse box above your front door. Make sure the cooker and main switches are facing up. On your kitchen wall, you'll find your oven switch. Flick it on and you'll hear a beep. Now that the oven is turned on, let's choose our settings. First, select the function you want: fanned grill, defrost or fan oven. Next, select the desired temperature. Remember to check the food packaging instructions if you're unsure. Then press the second button from the left to start your oven. Remember to use an oven tray and place your food inside the oven. Now sit back and relax. We recommend setting a timer on your phone or computer. When your meal is done, reduce the temperature to 0 and return the function dial to its default position. Remember to be safe when removing your food from the oven. For further help, call one of the numbers on screen or chat to us on our website. For more quick tips, check out some of our other videos and subscribe.